In the world of hospitality, what is it that really separates a good hotel from a truly great one? It's not just about fancy amenities or a killer location, right? It's that relentless commitment to getting better every single day. And that's what we're going to dive into. How artificial intelligence is becoming the secret ingredient for that continuous improvement, completely transforming hotel operations from the inside out.
Hello, and a very warm welcome to all the students from Europe Hotel School. I've spent years right at the crossroads of hospitality and technology, and honestly, I'm thrilled to be here to guide you on your online learning journey. We're going to explore how AI-powered practices aren't just changing the game, they're literally rewriting the definition of excellence in our industry today.
So, let's start at the very beginning. Let's talk about the one thing that underpins every single legendary hotel experience, that constant pursuit of excellence. And this goes way beyond star ratings. It's that unspoken feeling of quality a guest gets from the moment they walk in. The seamless check-in, the immaculate room, the service that just feels intuitive. It is the absolute foundation of everything we do.
And right at the heart of that pursuit is this incredibly powerful idea: continuous improvement. Now, this isn't some special project or a one-time push for perfection. No, it's a mindset. It's a culture of constantly looking at our processes, our services, and asking, how can we make this even better? It's the engine that drives a quality operation forward, day in and day out. But let's be real. In a busy hotel with hundreds, maybe thousands of moving parts, how do you actually make continuous improvement a reality? Well, this is where technology becomes our most powerful ally. AI is the engine for this whole process. It helps us move beyond just seeing a single snapshot in time to really understanding the full story of our hotel's performance. And this right here perfectly illustrates that shift. Think about it. On one side, you've got the old way, traditional audits, a manager with a clipboard doing random spot checks. It's an isolated snapshot, it's manual, and you're almost always reacting to problems that have already happened. But on the other side, with an AI-supported process, you get continuous, automated, real-time tracking. We're no longer just putting out fires, we're getting ahead of them. We are proactively enhancing the guest experience.
Okay, so this constant stream of information leads us to a really crucial turning point: making data-driven decisions. What does that mean? It means we're moving away from just relying on gut feelings and assumptions. Instead, we're using hard evidence, the actual metrics that matter, to guide every single strategic choice we make in our operation. So what kind of metrics are we talking about here? Well, we're going way beyond a simple pass-fail score. We can now track the frequency of specific issues, like how many times was a minibar not restocked properly this week? We can measure things like rework rates, which is just a way of asking, how often does a room need to be re-cleaned because something was missed the first time? And maybe most importantly, we can see our compliance levels with brand standards in real time. And this is the powerful cycle that managers can now tap into. It all starts with tracking those key metrics as they happen. Then, the AI tools help you visualize the trends. Are our housekeeping scores trending up or down? Next, and this is huge, you can benchmark your performance. How does your front desk's average check-in time compare to another hotel in your group? With that kind of context, you can initiate targeted improvements and, crucially, see if they're actually working. It's a full feedback loop.
Let's just zero in on compliance for a second, because honestly, this is a total game changer. Imagine having a dashboard that gives you a live, up-to-the-minute view of how well your team is meeting every single brand standard. This kind of systematic approach means you're not just cramming to prepare for an audit, you are always audit-ready. That gives you incredible peace of mind, and believe me, it's one of the best ways to protect your brand's reputation.
Now, so far we've talked a lot about technology and data and metrics, but the most profound impact of this whole approach isn't on spreadsheets, it's on people. So let's shift gears and look at how using data in the right way can foster an amazing culture of learning and teamwork. This quote just nails it. When your staff can actually see their progress reflected in clear data, suddenly accountability is no longer a scary word. It becomes a source of shared pride. Team members can see the direct results of their hard work, which reinforces all those positive behaviors and creates a powerful sense of ownership. This is all about empowerment, not enforcement.
As we get close to the end here, I want you to start thinking about this not just as a set of tools, but as a blueprint for your own careers. This is the new language of leadership in hospitality. And believe me, mastering it is going to be the key to inspiring the next generation of excellence.
So, the key takeaway is this: Modern leadership isn't about choosing between managing people and managing technology. It's about skillfully weaving them together. The best leaders of tomorrow will be the ones who can use these powerful data tools not just to improve efficiency, but to build a thriving, high-performing team culture. So I'll leave you with this question to carry with you on your journey. As a future leader, how are you going to use data, not just to manage, but to inspire? How will you turn numbers on a screen into a source of pride and a real catalyst for excellence on your team? Your answer to that question is ultimately what will define your success. Thank you.